Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Ave Maria in depth. First, the definition. Ave Maria means a traditional Catholic prayer and musical piece praising the Virgin Mary. Think of it simply as a heartfelt song honoring Mary. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Ave Maria traces back to Ave Maria, originating from the Latin greeting to Mary, dating back to medieval Christian liturgy. Over time, it's been used by Christian worshippers and musicians. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use Ave Maria in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The choir beautifully performed Ave Maria during the Christmas service. Correct example 2. She listened to Ave Maria to find calm during stressful times. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Ave Maria my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Ave Maria correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Ave Maria means a traditional Catholic prayer and musical piece praising the Virgin Mary. It comes from Ave Maria, originating from the Latin greeting to Mary, dating back to medieval Christian liturgy, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Ave Maria down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.